What's up, guys? So just finished the install on the LOD Expedition Series rear bumper and tire carrier. So bumper is minimalist, which I like. It's got a clean design. It's got some tow hooks here, which is kind of nice. It's got these tow hooks here. It does have a tow hitch in case I ever want to tow anything. I can. Another D-ring hitch thing there. It's got a Zerk fitting for the grease for the swing out arm thing here, which is kind of neat. So I bought it and I got the jerry can options. So I got some jerry cans. I need to paint these in, it shows up really red on the camera, but in person it's a little more like a pink red. So I'm going to paint it. Well, you can kind of see the difference between the reds. I want to make it more similar to that red. I got these nice tie downs so they don't go anywhere. Then I opted for the basket up top here. So just for extra storage and things you can just throw up on top there. But yeah, so that's what it looks like now. I really like the way it looks though. So I'll show you how it works too. So there's this latch here. Pull the latch out. I gotta adjust this guy a little bit. It's a little low. So you adjust that. Then you can just grab onto it. And it swings all the way out. And that is a ton of weight on there. So that's why I went with the tire carriers, because that on the stock TJ tailgate would probably rip it off. So, but yeah, it's just got a little rubber stopper thing when it's up against your Jeep so it doesn't rattle. But really happy with the quality. The instructions were pretty decent. Had to figure out a couple things myself, but other than that, this is what the rear bumper looks like here. Looks nice. And then I did buy the frame tie-ins, but I didn't attach them yet. If I ever start towing or anything like that, I'll get, it's like a little bracket that ties this to the frame. You got to drill a hole in the frame. And I also was a little concerned drilling a hole in my frame, considering where I live and rust issues. So I kind of opted that I'm not towing anything, and if I ever do, then I'll get the frame tie-ins. But I do have them, so if I want to put them on, I can. But nice quality on the bumper. Very happy, very sturdy. Got a neat design to it too. And I believe in the middle here is a spot for a high lift jack. So I do have one of those, so I might throw that on there too. Okay, so once you get it to that point, it just locks, and then nice and secure. It's not going anywhere. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's kind of a neat view from the back. But yeah, so that was the install of the LOD Expedition Series rear tire carrier for the Jeep TJ. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video.